Today, we took the handover of our new flat 618 in Togetherments at Bangalore. When I was searching for a living space in Bangalore, I always wanted to be more than just a living space. A home where we could bring everyone together. To be specific, a home where togetherness thrives. Like in our olden days where we spend time to socialize with our neighbors, fostering interactions, this would be like a canvas where celebration happens for 200 plus families, for shared experience and lasting memories. This spacious balcony offers a sweeping view of city on one side and a glimpse of nature that is untouched. You can see a distant lake the construction on one side continues. The balcony has French doors. Let's move on to the kids' bedroom. Every room here is bathed in sunlight, promising warmth and vitality. Here, near this window, I am planning for a bay window seating so that I can look and watch the city and the nature at the same time. Here, I will be planning for a wardrobe and the bed over here. And this is our washroom for the kids' bedroom. All amenities, all bathroom fittings are from Jaguar. Wall-mounted commodes. The washrooms boast moderate space. Now let's move on to our second bedroom, which we kind of used it as a workroom. I think most of us are from the ITs working from home. So we thought we'll utilize this space for a workroom. Here we'll have two workstations side by side, which is for myself and my wife. All ceilings are plastered perfectly. Now let's look at the kitchen. We have ample amount of space in the kitchen. We're planning for a U-shaped kitchen here. And this is our utility. I think we can put a small bed for our maid here. And this side, we can plan for dishwasher, washing machine, a sink. This is an open space. I think I should close this with a grill to improve the safety. We are looking down from 6th floor. Some plumbing works are going on. Let's look at our common washroom. Moderate space. All fittings are from Jaguar. You have UPVC ceilings. Now the master bedroom. We chose wooden tiles for our bedrooms. We feel that looks a little better than the other for the bedrooms. Here the bed, and yeah, this is a view outside from the master bedroom. Some scaffoldings are still there, need to be removed. Here we are planning for a wardrobe, and this is our master bedroom, washroom. Ample amount of space, good quality fittings. We have enough sunlight coming into our flat. With interiors set to commence next week, we eagerly anticipate making this space our own and embrace the joys of living here.